So let's just pretend that you guys are happy clients, right?
We are happy clients.
Are you?
Yeah, we're wonderful. We're just,
Well, what was the best thing about this whole experience since you guys actually came down here to Arizona and bought your first condo down here for investment? What's that like?
What was the best experience, just as far as being in Arizona and enjoying Arizona, and then having an investment with it?
Yeah. The weather?
Yep.
So do you think it's
Location,
a good place?
everything.
Good place to...
Yeah.
Location,
Especially when we have family here. It's been great.
Yep.
I keep saying anywhere in the States, I love coming to Arizona.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yep.
What about working with this character, Steve Ness? did he do okay?
Yes,
He did
yes.
great.
We bought this place a couple years ago, and we were able to sell it for more than we bought it for, which is obviously the goal.
So you made a decent profit.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
We made a good profit.
Well, that's always good.
Yes.
So, do you think that you'd buy another investment property down here?
Yes.
100%.
We're already planning on it.
Yep.
Ready on to the next one. So.
Yep.
Would you use that Steve Ness guy again?
100%.
Yes. Yep. Very happy. Very knowledgeable.
Yes.
He's very
Whenever he's on the
knowledgeable
phone
about
and I say who's on the phone, he's like, Steve. I'm like,
this is buddy.
oh boy, here we go. We're gonna be buying something or selling something.
I think you guys did really extremely well with this property that was in Scottsdale. It was a condo that you guys had bought and sold, and you profited quite a bit of money in a short amount of time. Now I think what we'll do is we're going to buy a couple more properties over the next couple of years, do some maybe fix and flips and something for Airbnb, and
Yep.
Perfect.
yeah,
That's the goal.
keep building up. Go from
Yeah.
that house that we got you for a couple $100 and kind of turn that into a couple $1,000 and then turn that into a couple $1,000,000.
Right.
Perfect.
And also have a place to go vacation
Yeah.
as well. We had,
Yeah.
we were able to come down and go enjoy family and a couple times.
So this area that you guys invested in, what they call it is Paradise Valley Village. So it's next to where Scottsdale kind of meets Phoenix meets Paradise Valley, and that's called the Paradise Valley Village area. What do you like about this area?
It's
I feel like everything's close.
Yeah.
If you need something, I'll Google it and it's right there.
right there.
Everything.
Nice restaurants, nice area.
Yep.
It's not I don't know, not run down. It's got value there for anything you need.
The food, everything.
Yep.
I feel like it just has so many choices.
Right.
What's your favorite restaurant here?
Wow.
Wow.
We have a few favorites
Yeah.
as far as Chick-fil-A, but
Oh no, that's
In-N-Out,
In-N-Out. Yeah.
Well, we were just saying, what is it, beer and cheeseburgers?
Oh,
Is that-
yeah.
Cold beer and cheeseburgers.
Yeah, cold
Yeah,
beers and
that-
cheeseburgers.
that's
I don't know why I
great.
was thinking that,
Yeah,
but yeah.
yeah.
And that's right down the road, so
Yeah.
you can't miss
We
that.
say Chick-fil-A only because where we live,
We don't have Chick-fil-A.
one.
You don't
so
have
it's always
Chick-fil-A.
nice.
There's
when
a-
we
In-N-Out.
come to some- Yes,
In-N-Out.
In-N-Out, yep.
In-Out,
yep.
yeah, those are awesome.
Yeah.
But cold beers and cheeseburgers
Yes.
is probably
Yes.
that beats Chick-fil-A and so. But it's just the feeling of the area too. You got kind of high class area. It's not, it's a nice area to be in.
Hey, what do you guys think of the grocery store here?
Oh,
Right.
it's so great. Yeah.
Kind
I
of
feel like a
going.
celebrity when I walk in. Like, man, it's just fancy.
Kind of cool to see some nice cars in there. The cars
Yeah.
that we can't currently afford.
Yeah.
So
Speaking of cars, what's the favorite or the coolest car, the nicest car you've seen down here?
I've seen like Ferraris. I guess I think that's what I've seen. Really nice Corvettes.
Yeah, their Corvettes are all over the place. Those
Yeah.
mid-engine ones.
Yeah.
Be nice to have one of those.
Oh, yeah.
So, but yeah.
What about things to do? What have you guys been doing when you come down here?
Well,
Usually with family. So
Family?
yeah.
Been kind of. We went to where's that? Sedona.
Yeah.
Went to
Yes.
Sedona.
Yep.
We've talked about going up to Flagstaff, which we haven't done. Actually, do we? I don't know.
I don't think we did.
We talked about at one point going skiing,
Uh-huh.
just because why not go skiing in Arizona? So,
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
but we haven't quite gotten to doing that yet.
Well, the one time we went to Sedona, it snowed. So that was kind
That's
of fun.
correct. Yes.
Coming from
So I
Minnesota,
bet you
we
that
were
was-
like, oh, hey, we're used to this.
I
But
bet you that was pretty too.
yes,
It was very
beautiful.
pretty.
It was
Yeah.
beautiful. Because it snowed a lot, and then as we were kind of leaving, it was kind of melting,
Uh-huh.
and it It was so pretty.
We were 4 hours from, what's the, oh my gosh, Grand Canyon.
Grand Canyon,
Yeah, so we went and visited that one time, I know, a couple years ago.
I feel like we've gone to the mountains. I'm not sure where we are now, but didn't we go up into?
Yeah, we did.
The scenery is just beautiful here.
Yeah.
The sunsets, the everything.
Yep.
Yeah.
And it's all within the drive distance. It's not bad. Like everything's. We're so used to driving 3-4 hours in Minnesota, so out here everything's close.
Yeah.
To probably you guys is far, but to us it's close.
Yeah.
No, I think it's amazing here because you go an hour in any direction, you got something different or crazy to see or something new.
And you're only 15 minutes. You're only 15 minutes from the airport too.
Yeah, exactly.
From right here anyway. So 15-20 minutes from the airport.
Yeah, I think this is a great location.
Yep.
I mean, it's I think a great place to invest in.
Yeah.
That's for sure. I wonder. Let's see. Oh, you know what, you guys? I forgot to hit record.
No, you did not. Did you really?
I can't.
No, I'm a joker. See how much fun
I was like,
oh my gosh! I was like, I am not.
See how much fun you
talking.
See how much fun you have with me.
Oh my gosh! Like I'm not doing this again.
Well, it's been so much fun hanging
Yes.
out with you guys and going through this experience, and I'm excited about our next adventure.
Yeah.
So
Me too.
nope.
Bring it on.
let's do her again.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Toodles.
See ya.